Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. AI Xrp New News Update. Has Ripple found a fatal flaw in the SEC's armor? Ripple has launched a legal challenge to the SEC's interpretation of the Investment Advisors Act, arguing that they had not received fair notice of what activities would be deemed illegal under SEC guidelines. This argument suggests that Ripple was unfairly blindsided by the SEC's charges against it. Ripple's legal strategy could prove fatal for the SEC's long-held ideas about financial transparency rules. If successful, this could have significant implications for the future of the crypto industry and its regulatory landscape. It could also signal to investors that cryptocurrencies are becoming less risky and more mainstream. However, if Ripple loses the case, it could lead to more stringent regulation of cryptocurrencies, with policymakers aiming to prevent other digital currencies from being used in ways that violate securities laws. Ultimately, the outcome of the ongoing Ripple lawsuit has numerous implications for the cryptocurrency industry, and it is likely to impact how regulators and investors navigate the evolving world of cryptocurrencies. AI Xrp New News Update. A number of XRP proponents are proposing additional incentives for validators on the XRP ledger, XRPL, to prevent them from leaving the network. The calls come amid concerns that several validators are departing the XRPL in significant numbers. Jungle Inc., a prominent crypto YouTuber and pseudonymous XRP community member, recently highlighted the trend, noting that Ripple should address the issue unless they intend to pivot away from XRP. Some proponents have called on Ripple to offer financial assistance, but others have opposed such a move. Instead, Leonidas, host of the XRP Arcade YouTube channel, suggested allocating a portion of transaction fees to UNL validators, who are deemed trustworthy by the community based on their track record. Ripple CTO David Schwartz responded by suggesting that such incentives could lead to increased competition among validators for transaction fees, potentially motivating them to improve their performance. AI Xrp New News Update. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have experienced a decline in early US trading, with Bitcoin falling below $30,000 and Ether slipping below $2,000. Altcoins such as Binance's BNB, Ripple's XRP, and Cardano's ADA have also seen drops in value over the past day. The decline in crypto prices is being attributed to a tie-in with equity markets, which are currently focused on the continuation of first-quarter earnings this week. Equities linked to crypto and blockchain, including Coinbase and MicroStrategy, were down, with Coinbase shares falling 4% to around $64.50. Despite the recent decline, Coinbase shares have risen 82% since January, leading the way in large-cap stock gains. AI Xrp New News Update. Stuart Alder-OT, Ripple's general counsel, has revealed the company's plans to expand its business in London. He made this announcement in a tweet while commenting on the recent congressional hearing of the SEC chair, Gary Gensler. Alder-OT criticized the SEC for its incompetence while expressing his focus on growing Ripple's business in the UK. Although he did not disclose the company's expansion plans, it is likely that Ripple is looking to onboard new partners or open more offices in the region. Ripple considers London a safe environment for its business, as the UK government is clearer on crypto regulations and does not consider XRP a security. In the past, Ripple has announced opening a new office in London in response to the growing demand in the region. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has also disclosed that the company is considering moving its headquarters to London due to regulatory uncertainty in the US. Ripple has been more welcomed in other regions, such as the Bank of England, where it was mentioned in the Digital Pound consultation paper. Additionally, Ripple's Director of CBDC Product Management, Anthony Ralphs, contributed to the Digital Euro Association white paper. AI Xrp New News Update. The XRP token's sudden drop and subsequent loss of all monthly gains in just 1 hour is a significant event in the crypto market. While the cause remains unclear, some theories suggest that it may be related to market correction or anticipation of future events. Meanwhile, the community is focused on the recent news of the SEC chief's grilling in Congress and the introduction of a bill to restructure the Securities and Exchange Commission. While these developments may not have an immediate impact on XRP, they are noteworthy in the context of the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. AI Xrp New News Update. Elon Musk's tweet with the message, "Fun times," and the star-eyed emoji has caught the attention of Dogecoin enthusiasts, who speculated that it might be related to the adoption of the beloved meme coin by Twitter. Xrp New News Update. Binance has partnered with CoinGate to allow Binance Pay users to make crypto payments with most CoinGate-powered merchants, increasing the global acceptance of Cardano, ADA, and XRP, two of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the community. Xrp New News Update. Congressman Patrick McHenry made a strong case for Ripple's fair notice defense by questioning Gensler on the classification of Ethereum as a security or commodity. The fair notice defense states that no one should be forced to speculate on the meaning of laws. McHenry sharpened the tone and interrupted Gensler when he responded with, "It depends on the facts and law." With the fair notice defense, Ripple had one of the most compelling arguments, which has become even stronger since the hearing. Judge Annalisa Torres is not likely to have missed the hearing. Additionally, all of the committee's Republicans sent a letter to SEC Chairman Gensler accusing him of trying to force digital asset trading platforms to come in and register under his non-existent registration process. Warren Davidson has introduced a bill that proposes restructuring the SEC and firing Gensler. Xrp New News Update. What if Ripple wins in the SEC legal brawl? It seems that while a win for Ripple in the current legal battle may be a victory for the company and its investors, some in the crypto industry believe that the benefits would be limited. Kathy Yoon, chief legal officer of MPCH, a crypto technology company, suggests that such a win would have weaker precedential value and may not help the greater space. Instead, some in the industry are looking for a bigger victory, potentially at the Supreme Court level. It's likely that the battle will continue regardless of the outcome, with the SEC expected to appeal if they lose. While Ripple's chief legal officer Stuart Alderoty has praised those who challenge the regulator, it seems that some in the industry remain critical of the crypto industry as a whole. Xrp New News Update. Coinbase has received a license from the Bermuda Monetary Authority, enabling the company to operate an offshore derivatives exchange. Coinbase has been exploring the possibility of launching an offshore platform to trade perpetual swaps linked to cryptocurrencies, which could happen as early as next week. Perpetual swaps are a popular product in the crypto space and are expected to be among the offerings. They provide a more capital-efficient way for traders to make bets on the underlying crypto market. Coinbase described Bermuda as a highly respected and experienced financial regulator in its announcement. Xrp New News Update. New York's head banking regulator, Superintendent Adrian Harris, has refuted claims that Signature Bank's recent failure was caused by its exposure to the crypto industry. During a hearing on legislation to create a U.S. regulatory framework tailored to stable coins, Harris noted that Signature customers, including fiduciary trusts and wholesale food vendors, withdrew their money from the bank during a panic last month following the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Harris explained that while around 20% of Signature's deposits left the bank following Silicon Valley Bank's collapse, only 20% of that 20% were crypto-related deposits. Harris's comments contradict former Representative Barney Frank, a Signature Bank board member, who criticized the New York State Department of Financial Services for closing the bank because of its involvement with the digital asset industry. Xrp New News Update. According to Donnell Dixon, CEO of the Stellar Development Foundation, the United States needs to regulate stable coins to ensure a strong US dollar. Dixon expressed optimism that there would be some form of stable coin regulation in the US by the end of the year, as regulators want to set the standard. She argued that a US dollar stable coin is a way to ensure a strong US dollar globally. Dixon emphasized the need to push stable coin regulation through Congress to prevent a bifurcated world where legislation outside the US is friendlier to crypto. Stable coins currently represent around 10.5% of the entire crypto market capitalization, with $133 billion in circulation. Dixon highlighted the importance of regulating stable coins and accepting them in America since the vast majority of them are pegged to the US dollar. Xrp New News Update. According to Stephen Jen, CEO and co-CIO of Eurizon SLJ Capital, the de-dollarization trend should be taken seriously by markets as the USD is losing its power as a reserve currency faster than many analysts are noticing. The USD's loss of its reserve currency status accelerated in 2022 when the greenback was used against Moscow as part of the sanction package after Russia invaded Ukraine. Jen's calculations indicate that the greenback's share of official global reserve currencies dropped from 73% in 2001 to about 55% in 2021, and in 2022, it tumbled to 47% of total global reserves. More and more countries, led by China and Russia, are making bilateral trade agreements that exclude the US dollar. The yuan is already the most traded currency in Russia, and China and Malaysia are discussing the creation of an Asian monetary fund to reduce reliance on the US dollar. Meanwhile, central banks have been flocking to gold as a preferred reserve asset, buying record amounts in 2022. Former Goldman Sachs chief economist Jim O'Neill recently called on the BRICS bloc to expand and challenge the dominance of the US dollar. Xrp New News Update. Platinum prices have risen to their highest level since the start of the year, surpassing $1,100 an ounce and outperforming gold and silver. The World Platinum Investment Council has described platinum as an attractive asset for investors looking for value in the precious metals sector. While technical momentum is driving platinum prices, analysts believe the market has strong fundamentals, with improving economic data in China supporting robust platinum jewelry demand and power disruptions in South America impacting platinum production. Platinum is also coming into its own as part of the global green energy transition, being used as a catalyst to separate water into oxygen and hydrogen for use as a power source. Analysts believe it is only a matter of time before prices push above their 2023 highs established in January. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 2 recommends selling XRP, 8 are neutral, and 1 indicates a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 7 recommend selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 7 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be neutral, with 9 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 9 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 8 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the date to look out for: Saturday, April 22, 2023, and Wednesday, April 26, 2023. This completes the XRP New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.